Hello guys, my name is Stanley. Today I'm going to show you guys the preview of my previous work, or my previous video I created on the Instagram vote system. Let me go ahead and open my Instagram to show you guys how it worked. Although it's not that effective, but I've been able to get some comments, not actually a comment, some votes, actually thumbs up, and depending on how many people I got on my channel frequently. Okay, this is the last video I created, and I was able to get 75% of yes and then 25% of no. If you can notice, just right at the bottom, you will notice where it says yes 75% and then no 25%, and then just below you're going to see seen by 33 people. Now if you click to confirm how many people and how effective it was, just right here, click on the seen by, you'll be able to get how many people that saw it, which is actually a total of 33. And then I was able to get 2 no answers, and I was able to get 6 yes answers, which actually you can see the people that actually voted on it. These are the people: Clavoline, Sebastian, Artista, The Private, Mobile, Yeti, Draws, and then Mustike, and then Mimic Coleman fan. Okay, and when you scroll down to check how many people that saw it, you will be able to calculate there are so many people that saw it, but it's not everybody that actually gave it enough vote. So with this, you guys will be able to create more votes and to be able to know what people are actually engaging in and they're actually interested in. So if I'm able to create another vote now, let's say a different question from this one, I'll be able to know who is actually engaging or who is actually being interested or whatever they are being interested in coming into my channel. So I hope this video helps you guys to actually go along. And then apart from this, I also have another video which is actually the Facebook one. So in this one I have 95% of Instagram videos and then 8% of Facebook. So let's click on to see how it performed. I was able to get 42 views and 11 votes, and only one went for Facebook. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the people that actually voted for it. So you can see that I actually had more views, and if you want to see more, you should go ahead and click on the see more button. You'll be able to see everybody that actually voted in, and this is me right here. So you should just minus that. Let's say it's 10. So and then when you scroll down, you'll be able to see how many people that viewed. And then if you actually want to download the statistics just for you to check later, you can go ahead and click on download, and then it's going to be saved to your camera. And then when you go to your gallery area, you'll be able to see that particular image. So it's just like keeping statistics of your previous events and to know how you actually performed. And let's scroll down, click, and you can see this is actually what I took screenshot of. I actually took a screenshot of the previous stuff I did. So let me go back out and then go back to my Instagram. And so for that, if you still want to upload, you can just go ahead and add some more editing and then go ahead and upload it. But we are not interested in doing this. So let's just go. And if you for some reason want to delete that particular question, you could actually delete it. So let me go ahead and delete the one that didn't get more engagements, like have something to delete. Let's say I want to delete this one. And once you click on it, go ahead and click on the seen by, and then you can notice a bucket at the left area just after the upload button. Just go ahead and click on that, and you're going to get a notification, remove photos from highlights. So you can go ahead and say just go ahead and remove the photo anyway. So the photo will be removed permanently from your Instagram account. That's that. And you can notice it's now removed, and you can see it. All you can see now is the previous videos from previous channels. Alright, hope this video helped you guys. Make sure you like and comment to my channel. My name is Stanley from TS Tech Talk.